Hello my fave, how are you guys doing? Today I'm gonna show you how to create a perfect bun using this tool I got at AliExpress for less than $1, and it's called the Magic Bun Maker. So what is happening is that since it's straight, whenever you bend it, it will break into a donut, and then you just have to straighten it whenever it go between your hair, and I'm gonna show you how to do it. So first, you're going to tie your hair into a ponytail, but not too high. Just right here, not too high. Don't go all the way up here. It's actually just right there, and tie your hair. If you have a baby hair like me, if you use the brown gel mascara, this technique able to flatten all of the baby hair, and not only that, it's an alternative method that you can use instead of putting hairspray all over. Since I don't wash my hair every day to maintain the moistures and also nutrient that my natural oil will produce, so I will use this technique instead of a hairspray. Make sure to hold the buns maker the correct way, which is supposed to clash down because it will not go the other way. Go ahead and flip your hair forward and put that magic roll bun in between, and then we are going to use a rolling motion toward our face. If there's any excess hair like I have, just go ahead and wrap it around on the side and keep going. If there's any loose end, we're just going to use a bobby pin to clip it together. So grabbing two sides, starting from the top to the bottom, and you are going to kind of roll it into a circle, and then because the top have more hair, on the bottom you can see there's an empty gap. Just go ahead and use a little pressures, pulling on the side. Use that bobby pin to pin it in place. I'm holding with my left hand to where I would like to place the bobby pin, and using the motion of pressing it up. This will secure your hair to last a long time and all day. If you're a dancer, it's definitely not gonna fall out. This look is also perfect for professional interview in a ball gown updo evening. It looks super beautiful and elegant that it does not take a long time to create. At first, you definitely have some challenge because you're not sure which way it's facing. It did slap my face, and then it did flying out everywhere. So just knowing that practicing does make it better, and don't give up, and I hope you try this technique. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, love yourself, stay motivated. Peace out.